Year 2000. Saan yun? Oh my... Ay!
Mila mixtape.
Hi! Napindot ko ba yung live? Hi!
She was the face of the 90s. Vogue called...
Ba't wala ka sa TikTok? Wala tayo sa TikTok! Kasi tawag dito, June 4 pa ako pwede bumalik sa TikTok live. Excuse me. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Hello, why? Someone reported me. See you tomorrow, ma. Happy birthday. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Thank you po. Thank you. Teka lang. Buong araw nakasuksok yung ano. Pahingayin ko lang yung bunbunan ko. Buong araw siya nakasuksok. Ang hirap pasahin ng Pinoy, may pag-report pa. Oo, kaya nga naka-audience control ako sa TikTok eh. Kasi ang daming bagets. Kaya naka-audience control ako kasi ang daming bata. Ang hirap mga bata masyado silang papansin. Oo, gusto nila ng mga attention seeker. Yung OA sa pag-spam para pansinin mo minimute ko yung mga ganun. Ayoko ng ganun eh. Kaya ako naka-audience control. Sa TikTok naman, pwede kang gumawa ng account ata ng magpo-post ka as 18 years old, I think. Punta ka sa Pride Night tomorrow. Saan? Saan ang Pride Night tomorrow? Ano ito? Ano itong Pride Night na ito? So true, nakakainis pag ganun. Ganun talaga. Marami talagang papansin sa TikTok. Wala tayong magagawa. Bridgetown na. Saan yun? Well, obviously, hindi ko alam. Hindi ako aware. Hindi ko alam kung saan yung Bridgetown. Ano yung Bridgetown? Saan yung Bridgetown? Saan siya? Thank you po. Ay, teka lang. Huy, birthday ko. Ilagay ko yung Gcash ko. Baka naman meron diyang gusto magpaalog. So, paalog naman kayo. Sa Pasig. Bridgetown, Pasig. Ay, tama ba? Yung anik, yung nakaganik. Pangalan nung... Si Beverly. Beverly. Si Beverly. Doon. Hindi ko alam. Tingnan natin. Wala akong idea eh. Natanggap ka, barya ma? Paano barya yan? Basta, go! Send kayo. Kung gusto nyo. Kung gusto nyo, kahit magkano. Send din Gcash. Teka lang ha, nagcha-charge lang ako. Magtatahi tayo today. Well, hindi pa pala ako magtatahi. Or magtatahi na ba ako? Hindi pa, ayusin ko pa muna yung damit. Pero yeah, basta may gagawin tayo sa manikin. Wala, umulan eh. Hindi ako nakagala today. Dapat gagala ako today eh. Actually, nakakamiss mag-TikTok live. Namiss ko ang TikTok live. Thank you, Nomad Cub. I forgot paano na ang interface ng IG Live. Nasa-share nyo ba tong Nasa-share nyo ba tong live? Nakalimutan ko na kasi sa IG Live paano ba eh. Pwede ba i-share ang live dito? When ulit GGSS? Honestly, plano kasi talaga namin this month. Plano ko this month. Pero, with the things happening with the other girls, like si Ver at si Shawarma nasa Dubai, si Precious nasa Australia. So, parang mahirap mag-prepare in a short time. So, yeah, hindi pa kami nakakapag-meeting ulit. Oh, yes ma, pwede. Pwede ba? O, share nyo naman yung live ko. Thank you. Hi, Miss. So, yun. Hindi ko pa alam. Siguro, most likely, we'll try to push it July. Kung hindi kaya talaga ng Pride Month. Kasi ang pinaka-problema namin, ako naisip ko na to, thinking ahead, ang pinaka-problema is scheduling. Kasi may mga Pride Month na eh, marami ng show ang mga bading. So, sana, magtagpo. Hopefully, magtagpo ang mga schedule. At also, yung next kasi na GGSS will be bigger. So, I will gather more vendors. Siguro mga, ang sabi kasi sa akin ng hub, 15 to 20, pwede niya, bibigay niya sa akin yung space eh. So, yeah, so most likely yung next GGSS will be like 15 to 20 vendors, hopefully. Excuse me. Hi, Nori. Thank you, Sean. Napakadaming age naman yan din. Thank you, Sophia. Thank you, Nori. Oh, magpaalog kayo ha. Ayan na, pwede ko na ilagay yung Gcash ko. Hopefully makapunta na sa susunod at wala na conflict. Well, hopefully meron munang mabuong date dahil din sa conflict. Miss ko na stickers. Tapos na ata ang subscription eh, Miss. Thank you po. Thank you, Bella Ange. Thank you, Gata FW Carls. Bakit naman ganito yung mga username nyo? Milorny Swift. Thank you. Teka lang, hindi pa ako nakapag-XG today ah. Pa-XG muna ako. Kailangan ko ng XG sa katawan ko. Pwede naman mag-subscribe ulit. Tama naman. Pero, Gcash mo muna ako, Miss. Tsara. Send mo muna akong birthday. Pa-birthday. Sasali ka po ba sa Philippines Asian Royal? Ano po ba yan? Ano po yun? Hindi ko po alam yun eh. Being in the middle of your life, dreamed a lot of things. Now we're right around different city names that we can't pronounce till you held us down. Babawi talaga ako, maabutan ko lang live. Thank you. Babaha ulit ng rosas. Ayan, mamaya. Yay, thank you. Isang hi Ken Ken na lang. Hi Ken Ken. Hearing your voices in every line, crossing every sea, every borderline. Love you in a million ways, in a million places. Parang Philippines versus Asian Queens. Ay, hindi ko po alam yan. Hindi po eh. Just to see a smile on your face. Word up. Oh, I remember I still picking my brain. Dreamed a lot of things, now we're right around different city names that we can't pronounce till you held. Manifesting, nakasali ka po. Unahan na kita, darling, hindi ako sali dyan. Iba na lang i-manifest mo. Thank you, Catherine. I love you in a million ways, in a million places. Touched by the shining lights, hearing your voices in every line, crossing every sea. Manifesting hair brand for Mama Tours. Yan ang magandang manifest. Yan ang magandang i-manifest, hair brand. Oo, or tsaka manifest. Thank you po. Just like a memory, yeah. You never need, yeah. You never leave, yeah. Reaching your hands, I'll be on the road, all around the world, all around the globe. Love you in a million ways, in a million places. Touched by the shining lights, hearing your voices in the... Thank you. Crossing every sea, every borderline. Love you in a million ways, in a million places, in a million places. When po nag-show niyo, Mother? Hindi ko pa alam. Oo nga no, kailan mo nag-show ko? Basta for Pride. Malamang. Katapusan na ng buwan eh. Unexpected, nakita katabila sa bakuran, sigaw ko, mahal. Labas nga lang ala. Ba't di ko narinig? Kung labas nga lang ala. Thank you po. Hi, Kai! I miss watching sa live mo. I'm such a very big fan po, so happy napansin po ako ng icon. People putting up trees and lights. Hindi kasi Sige, mag-XG tayo. Puro tayo XG. I miss you and you look so good. Thank you, Kai! Kai, nakita mo yung pinned tweet? Yung pinned comment? Kai, birthday ko, Kai. I'm waking up another season. I've been about my stats. Now would you look at that.
Undefeated, lock and loaded, we about to blow. Touching me, she seeking me, she watch me, they control. Up in the bowl, up in the zone. Ring on my finger, the gas.
Happy birthday. Thank you, Marky Mark. Wait, is this? Thank you. Hindi ko kaya mag-multitask. Crossing my heart, they know we are. Anong ganap? Nagcha-charge lang ako para makalipat ako sa working station ko. I'm gonna try to make a dress. No, I am making a dress. I'm just gonna continue making the dress. Gotta go. On the prima donna, make him do the most. Not enough. Oh. I put the ships on the road. Ain't no rivals, ain't no rivals. They can try, but they'll never ever slowing me down. On arrival, this is my show. Crossing my heart, they know we are undefeated. That's why they call me undisputed. I'm waking up another season. Ay, teka lang, maglipit muna tayo. Hey, even though it's been a long way, even at the top, I'm wide awake. Now we do it all again. Oh, just remember the time, remember the climb. Not a glitter and shine, oh, we on top of the world. Need I remind you, they know. Bahing ako ng bahing. Iinom tayo ng gamot. Be, kumalma ka. Huwag kang spam. Kayo naman, ano bang meron sa shoutout? A1 flawless, make him go insane. Pandemonium, riot. Always looking fresh, got the green in my diet. Nakuha mo na? Hindi ko alam eh. In fairness sa Gcash, hindi sila nagdo-notif. So, I have no idea up until I check it. So, if you have sent it, I probably have received it. So, baby, fine, give him my all. So, I just don't know. Hindi nagdo-notif dito eh. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron sa Gcash. Bakit? For a while now, hindi nagno-notif sa akin kung may nare-receive ako. So, pero ikaw naman yan, Kai eh. Ikaw yan, Kai. I believe you. For another life now. Ooh, I am looking so lavish. Ooh, I couldn't wanna lick. No worries. Have a good one to ring. Miss you and Honey and Abby. Miss you, Kai! See you soon, Kai, ha? Kung hindi ka busy, manood ka ng mga show namin. Just we're tuning to a booting just for fun. Not good enough on me, not too out of this world. Ma, ako sa TikTok lagi, pero di ako nag-spam. Isa lang. Tapos pag di mo pinansin, edi go. Nakakatawa yung comment. Nag-hi Ken na ako ah. Aba. I remember I think it was like, I don't know, like last 2 lives ago, someone commented na batiin ko daw siya, tas super spam. Tas nung binati ko, may message pa ako sa Instagram, Ma, pwede po bang batiin nyo ko ulit? Tap, i-record nyo, tapos isend mo sa akin. Kasi po, hindi ko po na-scan record. Ba't parang kasalanan ko? Ba't, alam mo yun, like, Di ba ang point mo lang naman, kaya ka nagpapa-shoutout is mabanggit yung pangalan mo? Gets ko naman yung ipopost mo siya, pero kung nabanggit na yung pangalan mo, bakit kasalanan pa? Ba't pa kailangan pa ipaulit? Ayun. Parang hindi na, di ba nagbago na yung nagbago na yung purpose nung pa-shoutout mo. Hindi na shoutout yun. Papansin na yun. Tama, mali. Vitasoy, kung ikaw ay naging commercial. Ikaw ba'y ututin sa normal na gatas? Ikaw ba'y nagtatae sa normal na gatas? Ikaw ba'y lactose intolerant tulad ko? Pues, mag-Vitasoy ka. Vitasoy. Pinipili na mapiling ina. Spend a lot of time talking. Listen to what comes out my mouth. Satisfied. Nasatisfied siguro kami pag nagpa-meet and greet ka, ma. Sinasabi ko sa iyo, I'll pay. I don't know, darling. When it comes to meet and greet, hindi ako mahilig sa meet and greet. Not because I don't want to meet people, but because I don't know. I guess I just don't assume that a lot of people will